Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset Daikin AC remote. So the remote of Daikin AC looks something like this. So in order to reset it, you just have to simply press and hold this on slash off button. So this is the button which you need to just press and hold, and you need to wait for some time. According to this person, for only 2 seconds, and then you need to release the button, then press it once more. Finally press it a third time and your Daikin air conditioner should reset and start running again. Now I'm going to read it again for you. You need to find the on and off button on your Daikin air conditioner's remote, and here is that button which you need to press and hold for 2 seconds. Then you just have to release it. After that you need to press it once more, and finally you need to press it the third time. This way you will be able to reset your Daikin air conditioner, and then it will start running smoothly again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.